to regrow thinning hair. Thinning hair can be a great source of insecurity. Thick, luxurious hair is typified as a sign of youth and sexual attractiveness, and it can be alarming when your hair falls out at a faster pace than it grows in. The average normal hair loss is around 100 strands daily. At this rate, new hair growth can easily replace lost strands, so you maintain your customary thickness. Aside from the uncontrollable factors like genetics, age, and gender, there are several factors linked to hair loss and thinning, such as crash dieting, medication, anemia, or poor hair care habits. If you're looking to learn how to regrow thinning hair, here are some interventions and changes that you can do to bring your mane back to its former glory. 1. Evaluate what you've been eating for the past few months. While a low-fat diet can have its advantages, it is equally important to make sure that you are getting adequate intake of essential fatty acids, because these are key to maintaining good scalp and hair health. Essential fatty acids like omega-3 and ceramides are very different from the bad kinds of fat that you need to avoid. Fish, nuts, lean meats, vegetables, fruits, and other food containing vitamins